the process. Smile for me. Hey y'all, so we are back at it. About to go Manhattan and get some more sushi. Look at you, your lip matching mine.
Smileyquanta.
Oh, did my car just turn off? It did. Oops. Y'all ain't supposed to see that.
They didn't see it, they just heard it.
Anyways, what I was about to say? Oh, it's Thursday.
It's Wednesday.
So, Wednesday. So, we're gonna say our little moment of silence. Rest in peace, Monique. And this sushi meal is for you, girl. We love you.
Yes, boo.
We love you. It might need to be because it's. Hey. You gotta put it the same way. Pina colada. Hey y'all, so it's the end of the night. Oh gosh, my hair looks like
cute.
Looks like that nice blowout. But we are going to end the vlog. It's probably super short, but we all need to get some sleep. Damn, I'm looking like on flake everything. But we will be saying see you later to the fam tomorrow morning. So I'll do my last daily vlog for tomorrow, which is Thursday, and I might vlog sometime tomorrow with the kids and then put it up on Friday. So hope you guys enjoyed our little bit of adventure today, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.
Good night. Lips on fleek still.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Love y'all. Bye. Oh, did we wake up the baby? Shirai, you gotta pee? Right. Shirai, you gotta pee?
Aggie, get out.
Shirai. Shirai. Right. Boo.
You know what I'm saying, Aggie.
You gotta pee?
On the lower kind of smell,